I'm putting this video together for you in case you forgot how to do photoPea on Thursday, or in case you didn't show up for class and you can see what we're doing. This is the video for creating a header. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to go to photopea.com, photopea.com, and then you're going to have a screen. If you have your screen and it has something in front of it, you just close that big X that's out of there so you can dismiss the message, and then you'll see this window here. From here, you're going to create a new project, or I should say you're going to create a canvas. So we're going to go to File, New, and when you hit New, you'll see several of these open up. There's social, print, photo, screen, mobile. We're going to stick with social and select this one right here, FB page cover, which is probably Facebook. And then the background is right now it's set for white. We can change the color right there simply by whatever color we want, but I'm going to leave it at white for this lesson. Then I'm going to select create. Now it created this background. Well, we want one to be about 900 in width and 300 in height. And if I go to image up top here, image, and select image size, I'm going to see that this is 1640 in width and 664 in height. So I'm going to change this 1600 to 900 and say okay. And you notice right there, it went to 364. So I'm just going to say okay. 364 is fine. But if you want to make it just a little bit smaller, which I would prefer, then we're going to go to this tool here called Edit, Transform, Scale. So it's Edit, Transform, Scale. And if you notice, it says the layer is locked. That means I'm unable to do anything. So what I have to do is I have to view my layers. So I would go, I wanted to view my layers. So I'm going to go to, where is it at? Windows. And then here's layers. And then you see right here, this is opened up, this background. And then you see this padlock right there. I'm moving my mouse so you can see if there's a padlock. So I'm going to click on it one time. Now the padlock went away. Again, I went to Window and then Layers. Okay. And then I clicked to make the padlock go away. Now, again, I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Scale. And you see these dots. Grab this handle here and hold down the control key as well. You must hold the control key down, and then you grab the handles and you can go straight down. That's how it should look. Now, if I don't grab, or I should say, if I don't use the control key and then I go to bring it down, you see how the entire box went down? Well, I don't want that. So I put my finger on top of the CTRL key, the lower left-hand corner. I hold it down. Then I select Edit, Transform, Scale. Then I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, right about so. And then I'm going to select this arrow tool. And now that's what it looks like. This here area is called a trim. It's transparent. So I go to Edit. Wait, I go to Image. Image, Trim, and just say okay. And now it's perfect. It's the exact size we want. Now, once that is done, you're going to insert a few images in here. So let's say I want to go to my desktop. I have images already saved in my picture folder. I'm not sure if I do. I'm sure I can find one. I click Open. Okay, here's a stupid picture I'm making myself for my students to see. Now you can see this picture right here. So now that you see a picture, I'm going to go to the rectangular select, and I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to bring it over that picture, edit, copy. That's it. Now I copied it. Now I'm going to close that out. Now here's my canvas. I'm going to select that arrow tool again. I'm going to paste it in there. Control V should paste it. Wait, hang on. There we go. Now there's the picture right there. Now what I want to do is go to Edit, Transform. I'm sorry. Edit, Transform, Scale. Now I can bring it down here to where I want it. You see how I'm changing it up a little bit? Then I select the arrow tool, so now it disappeared. I don't know why this white background here is like that. There, I've just fixed it. Okay, now over here on the side, if I'm working on the image, the layer is lit. Now, if I want to work on the background, I have to select background. Now I can work on this background. So if I take this brush and I go over the top of the image right here, nothing happens, you see? But if I go to the canvas, something happens. That's because I'm working in the background area only. So I'm taking that out of there. I'm going to select the text tool. I'm going to hit type. I'm going to click right in here. It says it's loading the fonts, and I'm just going to type, welcome to my site. This is just so you can get an idea. Oh, I forgot the letter C. Okay, now, once that's done, I highlight the tool or all the text. Then if you notice up top here, it says warp. I click on warp. Right now it says style none. I click on a style. I can choose one of these styles. I'm going to choose arc. And once that's done, I'm going to close that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to choose arc. Then I select the type tool or the arrow, click on it. Now I can close that out and drag this down a little bit. Now, that's just a quick thing. You can do a lot of things with photoPea. I just want you to play around with it. Now you can add something here. You can name your website, whatever you want, your information about yourself. I just wanted you to learn how to design and create your own header. You can actually put 4 different images in here to sort of like a collage. And then you're going to go to File, Export as JPEG, and then you're going to give it a name right here. It says new project. I give it a name. I don't know. Header 01. And then you're going to, this is the size and height it's going to give to you. Then you click save, and you got to know where you saved it at. Usually it's in your downloads folder, and then you're good to go. Hopefully you're okay with this lesson. And the beauty of this is a video, so you can always stop and rewind.